Good morning, students. Welcome to the new computer learning session. In today's video, we will learn about how to switch between windows. Like suppose if you have more than one window opened on your screen, then you can easily switch between the windows. You can easily go from one window to another window. As on my screen, you can see this is a paint window, this is a WordPad window, and at the bottom this is a Notepad window. Means I have opened 3 program window on my screen. Now, and you can see the icon of each window on the taskbar. This is the Notepad icon, this is the paint icon, and this is the WordPad icon. Right? Now, if I have to switch between the windows, as you know that you can only work in one window at a time, then what you have to do, you have to click on the icon of that particular window and that window will appear in front of all the other windows. Right? Suppose I have to work on paint. अगर मुझे पेंट की विंडो पर काम करना है, what I have to do? I have to click on the paint icon. See, when I click on paint icon, जब मैं paint icon पर click करूंगी, then the paint window will appear in front of all the other windows. तो जो paint window है वो सब windows के सामने आ जाएगी और paint window का जो title bar है वो आपको सबसे dark दिखाई देगा. See, I have clicked on paint window and now this is my paint window which appears in front of all the other windows, right? एंड आप देख सकते हो कि पेंट विंडो का टाइटल बार इज इन ब्लू कलर एंड बाकी सब जो पीछे विंडोज हैं उनका टाइटल बार फेंट हो गया है. राइट? नाउ जिस भी विंडो पर आपने काम करना है, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको उसके आइकन पर क्लिक करना है. अगर मुझे वर्डपैड पर काम करना है, आई विल क्लिक ऑन द वर्डपैड आइकन. सी, दिस इज द वर्डपैड आइकन. आई विल क्लिक ऑन द वर्डपैड आइकन एंड एज यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, नाउ वर्डपैड विंडो इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल द अदर विंडोज. राइट? और सिंपली यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दैट विंडोज ऑल्सो. सी, अगर मुझे पेंट पर काम करना है, आई विल प्लेस माई माउस पॉइंटर ऑन द पेंट विंडो एंड आई विल सिंगल क्लिक ऑन इट. सी, पेंट विंडो इज देयर एंड नाउ इफ आई क्लिक ऑन द वर्डपैड विंडो इज in front, and now if I click on the notepad window will come in front. Right? So there are two options. You can click on the icons of the windows or you can simply click on the windows also. Alright? Now the next thing that we are going to learn is about the show desktop using arrow peak. And now we will learn about the show desktop using arrow peak. So in the far right corner, in the right corner of your desktop screen here, you can see there is a button called the show desktop button. So what is the function of show desktop button? If you want to minimize all the windows that are on your screen, as you can see there are 3 windows open on my screen. So if you want to see the desktop screen, अगर मुझे desktop screen देखनी है, so what I will do, मैं क्या करूंगी? There will be 2 options. मेरे पास 2 options हैं. या तो मैं 1 by 1 इन तीनों windows को minimize करूंगी, right? Or what will I do? I will simply click on the show desktop button. यहाँ पर you can see the mouse pointer on the screen, right? And I will go to the right end. यहाँ पर this is your show desktop button, बिल्कुल corner पर. When you click on it, जब आप उस पर क्लिक करोगे तो what will happen? You will see ये सभी windows minimize हो जाएंगी at once. All these windows that are on your desktop screen will be minimized at once. See, I have clicked and all the windows are minimized. ये सभी windows minimize होकर अपने आइकन्स में चली गई. राइट? नाउ इफ आई वॉन्ट ऑल दोज विंडोज टू रीअपियर ऑन माई स्क्रीन, अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो तीनों विंडोज एक साथ मेरी डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन पर वापस से आ जाएं. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल अगेन क्लिक ऑन द शो डेस्कटॉप बटन. सी, दिस इज माई माउस पॉइंटर. आई एम टेकिंग इट टू द राइट कॉर्नर एंड नाउ आई हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन इट एंड यू कैन सी that all the windows reappeared on the screen. Again, I am minimizing those windows using the show desktop button. So as you can see, I am taking my mouse pointer again to the right side. I have clicked on it and all the windows are minimized. Now if I want to open only a single window on my screen, so I have to click on the particular icon of that window. Suppose अगर मुझे paint window open करना है तो मैं सिर्फ paint के icon पर click करूंगी and that window will be on my screen again. So this is how you can use the show desktop button. Show desktop means to show the desktop. So if there is so many windows on your desktop and you are not able to see the desktop screen, what you have to do, you have to simply see, if again I am repeating, if you have 3 windows on your screen and you are not able to see the desktop screen, what you have to do, you have to take your mouse pointer to the right side where the show desktop button is present. You have to single click on it and all the windows will be minimized and you will be able to see the desktop screen. So this is how your show desktop button works. Now the next thing is how to close the windows. If I want to close the window, what I have to do, I have to simply click on this close button. This red button is the close button. Firstly, I will click on the window that is appearing in the front of all the other windows. As this is Notepad, I will click on the red button, that is close button. As you can see, the Notepad is closed, and now I am clicking on the WordPad. See, this is closed again, and now the last is Paint. Once I will click on the Paint button, close button of the Paint window, so Paint window will also be closed. So this is how you can close the window from the desktop screen. Alright, in the next class, we will revise all the topics that we have studied in this chapter. I hope now you all know how to use the Windows 7 operating system. Alright, thank you students.